Into enter screen share. Okay, so then we are section is totally not versus should have said upfront the issues versus upfront size weight compressed to function. As compressed it might push this the question so the ingest function actually running. Ingest first out through excessive bit route which apply per actual loop to put the transcription. And just touching check whether videos are typically hitting not really penalty most normal length. Probably eliminating the bug already fixed the error. Check may be sufficient. The error check may be sufficient. Error check might be sufficient. Okay, so the error check might be sufficient. The error check might be sufficient. Okay, so how to start the ingest? How to start the ingest on local server? Local server, send the cd VidPact. CD VidPact. Okay, so cd VidPact. Okay, and shell new tab. Show new tab, and then we have build run build and then run start creating optimized. Let's see how it goes now. Transcript. Okay, so let's see how it goes now. Script. Okay, so let's go to localhost 3000. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, localhost 3000, and let's go to Creator Studio, and we have to delete the video here. Okay, so let's choose file, downloads, where is downloads? Okay, so let's see this one, and this is a marketing iPod plans for agency. Sorry for image file. Let's spawn, and let's choose to find something like this. Let's upload the video and let's see how it goes. Terminal isn't showing any error message, so let's wait for the processing. So the processing started at 12:49, so let's see how much it takes. And we had the first ingest setup error, one is still encoding, retry after error, ingest step error. Okay, so retry after 30 seconds, it's fine. And then the next step, so the next step I actually need to check. Let's open cloud here, cloud and VidPact summarization example. Okay, so guardrails cloud MD Then clouding. Okay, so alright, your previous message. VidPact, turn on VidPact. So VidPact, the safest path is to check whether there is any. So 1 minute already gone and it's still processing. Is there any error message? Retry after 30 seconds, but it's still encoding. So okay, still encoding. Let's see. Okay, and then now we'll explain cost per message. New feedback distribution algorithm should work. Um, Figuring it was already public. Shield play button, bunny.net. To build a rocket all transcript under what is it? VidPact. Let's see. Still processing 2 minutes. Okay, so how can I actually okay, let's see. I think I have saved this somewhere. Commands initiate the creator algorithm VidPact stop. Okay, so how can I actually? So um, how can I prevent how can I prevent the explicit content and NSFW content on my VidPact? Okay, reliably. Shipping. We have the solution. Upload free. Upload the flagged videos. Comment reporting. Report button. Flag reports. Go to admin. Q zero tolerance policy. Make it crystal clear. Um, Confirmed on human upkeep. Let's say manual review. Then over. Then it's a permanent ban. One strike. The leader said. Strike. One strike. Then one strike. Take. So video ID. Clean API route. Text video ID. Extract from using influencer and other trainers. Published. Update the video status. Published to pending review. Cost. Deliverability. Unit manually reflect. Refers to catch the edges. There's a way to feature. Okay, so I need to implement this. Okay, so I need to implement this explicit. So it's already 5 minutes and still processing. Um, let's see an error. Transcript rejected error. Okay, media file too large. Limit actual size. So the problem that happened. Try after 30. So it just took published just now politics. Okay, so snow politics extracting transcription pooled invalid media file too large. What actually happened here? What actually happened here? Politics. Okay, so what actually happened here? Let's see. Actually happened. What actually happened here? So let's go to watch and view the Watch the video. Watch video.
Tell me why you think it's a good idea to give tax breaks to billionaires and allow 50,000 low-income and working-class people to die unnecessarily.
Senator, first of all, that's overstated by 5.1 million. That
unrelated to the topic.
is not attributed to this bill. Is simply
It's a combination. That's true.
No. You all had a scheduled expiration of Obamacare subsidies, and you did not extend that when you were in charge. 5.1 million. 1.4 million illegal aliens on Medicaid, and there are work requirements. And our goal is to get more money to children.
Do you know others? Really? Your goal is to get more money to children, and working people. Really?
That's the moment Bernie Sanders realized this wasn't going to go the way he planned. He walked into that hearing room thinking he was about to roast another Trump official on live television. The same script he's been running for 30 years. Billionaires are evil. The system is rigged. Tax the rich. Applause. Rinse. Repeat. But Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, he didn't read from Bernie's script. He brought his own. And what happened next is something every American needs to see. Let me show you the full exchange.
My understanding is the Trump administration has, I think, 13 billionaires in office right now, leading government agencies. Is that about right, do you think?
I have no idea, Senator.
I think that's what the number is.
Okay, so title, description, match to storage. Storage is left, and so it's about which storage is left. So we need to actually cut slash cache. Okay, so going in here. So this is actually Bunny still encoding related 3 times to rejected exit once Bunny finished encoding Grok tried to transcribe file was just over 24 credit the fix app that is kicked in here, throwing error to the user that fell through the FFmpeg fallback, extracted the audio, and Grok transcribed it and returned a 9 transcript while the word to Bunny extracted transcripted. So let me pull in the block for my charger. Storage. Okay, so Bunny is still encoding. Rejected extracting audio. It's Bunny finish encoding. Tries to transcribe. Okay. So then, what problem actually happened from computer desktop? Disputed. The sources indicate that Bison supports making permanent has not indicated an increase in his tax rate. Disputed. So while the most of the claims, like out of 3 claims, 2 is disputed, why it's saying that the fact check rating is high, and how, I mean, like, I'm not sure how this is getting calculated, and why not can the AI actually get the transcript correctly or no. So I need to actually see the transcript, what the transcript is actually getting pulled from the video. Okay, so and also yeah, so I want the GPT-4o to analyze on the based on the fact, and that the fact that I want actually, first of all, the AI will analyze the major claims in the video or in the transcript. Okay, the most important 3 claims, and also, or maybe like you can say most important claims, and then it will actually search on internet to find that whether these claims are actually correct. Okay, and if these claims are correct, then they will actually I mean, like you can say based on the corrected claims, okay, it should actually score. So I want reliable scoring. Okay, so how you are planning to fix that? Let me at first know. Okay, so let me bring the charger. Check is getting calculated. Why not the AI? Can the AI transcript videos of the videos, transcript to the videos to the so you the user can inspect. Okay, so what is getting analyzed? What is getting analyzed? Dispute. Thumbnail content match. Should I actually, implement the correctness, or trust score of a video, because the source sometimes, like based on the sources, okay, so it might be actually considered, for example, for a democratic audience, okay, so for a democratic source, one maybe like the source is saying in I would say like on the positive side of like a democratic senator, then if ChatGPT pulls the source data from that sources, then it's actually making the claim undisputed on the perspective of a Republican person. So here, like you can say, the based on the sources, okay, based on the biasedness of sources, the dispute, the trust score is getting affected. So do you think, should I implement this, or should I just implement the title description match and score it before I mean, like besides a video, that title, description, match, score. Okay, so and let the audience actually find whether the content is correct or not. What do you think? Opinion content don't show trust score. Instead, just show the title, description. Videos that make clear, factual, and scientifically alterated. The sources are emblematic, and the distinction and complexity. We shared complexity. Okay, so scientific, the simpler version, added disclaimer political. I think like for political or opinion based videos, okay, so the judgment, okay, so the trust score should not be shown. Just the title or description match should be shown, okay. And for the content that has like actual claims that you have told me that like scientific, financial, or health related, um, so where source are less biased, then the fact verification should be done. I think that would be better. Or what do you think? Story, lifestyle, entertainment, so branch based. The run description match check, no trust score son. And the pipeline claim extraction, fix the trust score verified. Level test keyword, GPT needs to level distinguish. Don't be perfect, but clear cases, political boundary. Like, will be accurate though. Okay, so function that is no even just trust score display is already conditional. The data exists, GPT needs to really the keyword is step one. Correctly to actually able to distinguish opinion from factual. Description match, title description match. Do you think it will be risky? Because like if it's mistakenly did something, okay, maybe like you can say kind of making political videos as like factual videos or something. So and then kind of like labeling something disputed or like kind of like fact not, I mean like not true, based on political views, okay, so it will actually create kind of like controversy amongst political supporters. So it's, do you think it will be a little bit risky, or can I actually instruct the chat gpt to really actually analyze the content properly and be careful in making decision? So because so much depends on it, and then actually add the fact checking, because I think that would be actually if the fact checking is reliable, then the viewer will definitely be actually kind of kind of like more inclined to watching videos, or I mean like it will be kind of like more trustworthy platform. This is the positive side, and the trade-off is that risk of mistakenly labeling opinion videos as fact videos. What do you think? What approach would be better? going to implement this as well. Okay. So there will be a list of category. I mean, like that will mostly cover all categories, okay, of videos. And there will be also an option to add others, so that the creator can actually manually input others, manually input like their category as well, and then the GPT will and kind of like take that into consideration before actually kind of like analyzing and making its own decision. Okay, so if there is a dispute, the creator actually mistakenly categorize something, then the and the GPT categorization is different, then GPT will actually then the GPT will provide an explanation why it categorized differently than the creator's category. Okay, and do you think it would be better, and will this cost extra? Okay, so now the next thing is so let's go to this one. Watch client TSX upload API. For 1 second. Let's try link. Live client.tsx. Okay. Base completed with no output term. So next thing is a browse subscription category. Okay, so now how the business. So how how the business I mean like ads, how the user will get segment their time on for ads showing. Okay, so when someone, I mean like how should I decide the algorithm for distribution of ads time for viewers. Which ad creates based on for every 10 minutes of video. Ad create their business ad shown beneath the video. Someone wants 60 minutes. 6 ad impression for their business. Push in the production. Ad impression for the business, but won't that be too low? Send it for restaurant 4 times to verify. But won't that be too low? How? So for the ads to work correctly, okay, so I mean the total time should be total ad time should be actually kind of uh, equal to the time people spend on this platform. Okay, so first of all, like um, if there is like total 100 hours or 100 hours of watch time for this platform, and someone actually watched just 30 minutes, so how much time um, they will get for their ads. Okay, and I want the ads to be shown to maximum amount of people for maximum amount of time. Okay, so that is possible um, for everyone, so that like people have more interest in watching videos in this platform. Distribution system equals total watch time, so the viewer person will watch 30 minutes, 5% of that gets there. With rules of journals who is watching. And that means roughly a slot exists one ad card shown to a personalized circuit user across other viewers screen. Simple. The video loads and the system needs to pick the business. Okay. Needs to cook at least of 30 minutes his ad shows 5%, at least her ad shows 500 times. Fibers that it will roughly equal to the video. Everyone's ad gets run proportionally to maximize it. Show the same person's ad to same viewer twice in one session, rotate ads to each. That will reach the maximum number being extra if Alice has 500 impressions to distribute different viewer rather than showing ad programs to 10 people. Uh, Impressions to distributors will happen different viewers then. But if there is, don't show the query. The video loads got all active advertisers in the remaining ad budget this week. Did watch time share. Ad budget this week speaks 3 ads, highest watch time much. So so just explain this system in simple terms. Also, consider that if I want to show to 500 different people, there needs to be 500 different viewers needs to be existed on the platform, and also that then there is like might be like there is 10-20 viewers there watching like 100 hours, right? So or maybe like there are 100 viewers watching 100 hours, so we need to consider the number of viewers and the number of the number of hours and number of minutes or seconds of watch time. So yeah, so take that into consideration. So maybe like a pie, let's say 300 viewers watched combined 500 is the pie. Every viewer submit to business gets proportional how much their value was 5 or 500 total. She gets 1% Bob was 30 minutes. But what does actually mean in practice? 1% of ad slot is created every time any viewer watches a video. The platform has 10,000 views. There are 10,000 ad slots. Very hard at 100 times, but 10 times now. I fell around 500, but there is only 300 ad can reach 500. It's impossible. So what happens? The ad caps equation viewers -1. You don't see. See if there are 300 viewers, the maximum is 200 unique people. So after that, already to only once per day maximum. How it actually works with small numbers, 50 viewers and 11 submitted. Watch time is 100 hours. Advertiser army was 10 hours. 10% total views across were and it average total views this week. But there is only viewers everyone minus M so hard 40 roughly 4 times over the week. So but once every 2 days that's reasonable and not annoying. Then watched so instantly at 20 unique viewers lower effort lower reward. Okay, so rule 1 your ad time is promotional to get more, much more, get more. Rule 2 your ad never shows the same person more than no spam. The purpose you never see your own ad. Rule 4 ads are filtered by age. If ad the viewer says 60, they don't say it. Rule 5 the platform everyone's impression are naturally kept by the available audience. The proportional the formula um, stays the same regardless of the platform size. So the platform size the formula stays the same regardless of our platform. Watch time total visuals so 20,000. Okay, so last line is the who keep you. So your view the 3 hours, 20 minutes, your business section. The click to watch more to increase your reach. Okay, so much more direct cause and effect. Keep building. Okay, so direct cause and effect. Keep building. So direct cause and effect. Keep building. Or change the studio upload form. Drop down 17 options without a uploaded API and separates category. Create a category separate from category which is allowed. Now, which can classify content runs first. There, decide okay, so I think that is fine. So here, live content. Okay, so content videos, the virtual video. So the virtual live is one. Next, the virtual live. Okay, so live coding, sharing. And then we need to actually copy this first. VidPact is the last line. VidPact. VidPact. Okay, so algorithm. So, algorithm. Title algorithm. After mark so the bold algorithm. Okay, so algorithm. Then section 1, section 3, and then ads distribution algorithm. Distribution algorithm. Ads distribution algorithm. Okay, so ads distribution algorithm. So because the range of 12 viewers reaches far more people, the system scales automatically because viewers watched the business as 47. Then to again click to watch more to increase your reach. Click. Okay, so now let's try again to build. Okay, so Control C, npm run build and npm run start. Run build and npm run start. Okay, so npm run build creating an optimized to build, and another one is our video watch time. Okay, so zero tolerance policy. Okay, building. So here we have explicit content detection, explicit content detection, explicit content detection, so load detection. Okay, so there is a can confirmed through a bit confirmed through human review permanent ban on strike. Okay, so then let's see that goes. Okay, so let's refresh it. And advertise it for free. Let's refresh it. Okay, so
Do you think it's a coincidence?
back check Reading Creator Studio. Let's delete it. Delete video. Delete it. Okay, so let's choose file. Thumbnail. This is thumbnail. Let's choose the video first. Choose the video first. Let's select this one and okay, so let's just check real search for one thing, real estate. What the hell? Okay, so start sharing. Start sharing. Okay, so here we are. Then we need to actually stop sharing. Rejected. Okay, so we have around like 43 minutes. 43 minute edit customization. 43 minute. Okay, so no problem. We'll actually inbox. It's actually impossible to receive a short data you make the because you have received the payment. Most of which you have received the payment. Name to look a short data. Okay, so now we just go and search for something. Yes, it first. From store. So let's screen share stuff. Okay, so no Chinese scam or anything. So load this one. So let's check it. Thumbnail option auto generated skip. So let's select a category: education, lifestyle, politics, government. Okay, so let's search for education, finance and economic history, entertainment, travel, real estate. Real estate. Okay, so lifestyle news. Others, real estate education, science and technology, health, finance and economics. Okay, so let's search for business, opinion, entertainment, gaming, group video, creator category. So could not find creator category. Could not find creator category. This shows when I try to upload video. Okay, and also the category. Also the category, I mean, if the AI detects any new categories, okay, so it will be added on the list of the categories. For example, I can't find the category real estate. Okay, so the category should be explicit, and I mean, like, all sorts of category that is possible should be there. Okay, not just like random, I mean, vogue categories. So whenever like AI detects any new categories that is not on the list of the categories, I mean, like, you can say, then it should actually add it on the list of categories. Will that cost anything extra significant? Significant. Let's listen to some songs. Okay, so I never try, never you. So wake up. Run this skill editor. Super beside skill editor. Skill editor. Okay. Wake up. can't touch my dear. Extra cost to growing list. Okay, so let's try again. Okay. Failed. Start. Let's try again. No, I'm just deliberately trying titles that is completely unrelated to the video to see how uh, the AI marked them. The home price will increase 10 in 2026. So that's just a random Florida real estate. Okay, so let's go to it alone. Okay, so we really need some good songs. Okay, so listed realtor.com. Just upload random. Just pick something and sort of VidPact. Okay, select a category. Sick food and cooking. Thumbnail. Let's keep some random thumbnails. Upload video. Let's see. It's uploading. Okay, so now getting uploaded. So now we need to actually can you check why the videos are not getting shown on the browse section? Uh, one instruction for one GB storage which value charges from okay, so either run this to SQL, looks like it's best available. Then okay, video is available. So you can tell me what is silent blocking? Usually silent blocking and identity was created. Run these two secure statements was created. Was join see here editor. Specifically network cannot be decided out of this silent blocking rates. Guys, to studio, let's see guys. I'll show you how to use it. Show you how to use it. Run this to skill editor. Okay, so run this to my skill editor. Let's run this. So wake up, we're sleeping hard. And no we will dream a dream for us, that no one else can touch my dear. Yeah. Okay, so let's see.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Secretary, as you know, I represent San Diego, the largest military community in the country. Right now, as we are speaking, 2,500 San Diego Marines are off the coast of Iran. Many others, San Diegans in uniform, have gotten 48-hour deployment notices. So this war in Iran is not theoretical for me or for my constituents. It's deeply personal. As you also know, on Easter Sunday, President Trump threatened to destroy Iran's bridges and power plants, writing, quote, "Open the fucking strait, you crazy bastard."
It's the option to dispute browse category not applicable, okay? It's in crisis, the bridge occurs in crisis. Watch time in some area.
Hello, today I'm going.
Watch time. Okay, so when when the subscription video primarily discusses budget manufacturing, food and cooking. Okay, so manufacturing misleading. Title and description match it. Movie does a discussion about right home prices while the transcript is so misleading. Misleading. So okay. Local split. Browse. Okay, so colors. Start watching. Okay, so I think it's actually that's actually so shared into screen shared. Okay, so okay, no, the problem that is happening, so we have, so whenever something is uploading, I don't want that to be titled common fact check for score. Okay, so I don't fact check score for opinion content, opinion or political
Our
content.
troops who have shown
No fact check
incredible
opinion
bravery and
commentary.
tactical
Fact check
proficiency
score
deserve to know
for
that their
opinion
leaders
content.
are focused and stable.
Check the
So,
research
Mr.
discussion
Secretary,
provided on
you are
prices
with the
while the
president
transcript is
on what?
proposed.
And it
Political
pains me
commentary
to
to
even have to
description
ask
match.
this about our president,
Politics
my
and
constituents'
government.
lives
That's
are at
politics and
stake.
government. Okay.
Do you believe that the president is mentally
Okay. So
stable
first
enough
of all,
to be the commander-in-chief?
note the video. I don't
Did you
want
ask the same question of Joe Biden?
assisted
4 years?
analysis.
Mr.
Not.
Secretary, Joe Biden is not
Okay,
the president.
so
Mr.
yes,
Trump has been
assisted
president for a
analysis.
year and a half, and I'm asking
You
you
did
right
not.
now.
And I won't even engage with the level of disparagement that you're putting
This
on the
shows on the video.
I
Beneath
mean,
the video, I don't want to be
Mr.
shown
Secretary,
beneath the video
Mr.
for
Secretary,
the
Biden is
user,
not the
okay,
president.
for the viewer. And when I mean, like when the dispute, when I can when a user can dispute with the decision, okay.
Mr. Secretary, as you know,
When the dispute actually happens, when the user, when the uploader or the creator is not agreeing with the AI categorizing, okay, and also I want the whenever like uh, the user is that the creator is uploading the video, okay, so it's actually, so there will be an option, so the title and description with the actual content, whether it's misleading, whether it's actually matching, whether it's not matching, so the creator needs to know that during the time of upload, okay, and then the creator should actually approve the then the creator should actually see, I mean, like at the time of upload, the creator should see what the AI is actually marking their content, specifically the title and description and also the category. And so if the user, if the creator is disputing with the upload, I mean, like with the category, so then the creator can actually request another, I mean, like the creator should be able to give an explanation, okay, so that why he thinks that his category is correct. And then the AI, then it will submit, then the creator will submit it, and the AI will actually analyze it again. And then if the AI finds that the creator defined category is wrong, then the AI will give another explanation why the AI thinks the category is actually wrong. Okay, then if the creator approves it, okay, so then the if the creator approves it, then the video will get published, okay. And if the creator wants a manual review, then the creator can actually click on manual review. And also for the title description match, so for the title description match, there should be the same option. If the AI defines it misleading, that then during the time before it gets published, okay, so before it gets published, so after processing, after the processing is done, then for each video it should show that what the AI thinks of the title and description. Is this misleading, is this correct, is this, I mean, like matching, misleading, or what. And then the creator should be able to submit again, and explain with explanation why he thinks that the title or I would say thumbnail, the title or description is not misleading. Okay, and also I want the analysis for thumbnail as well, if the thumbnail is matching the actual content inside the video. Okay, and also I mean like if the creator just as same for the for the category, there should be option for manual review for the title, description, and thumbnail matching as well. So implement this feature. The hell. If the creator approves it, then the video will get published, or other than that the creator will have option to manual to the request for manual review. Okay, and then it will get queued for manual review. Okay, and then also it will be the same for title, description matching as well. So if the AI thinks that the title, description is not matching or misleading, then before the video gets published, okay, so after processing there, like the all of the information is presented to the creator before it gets published, so that what it thinks of the category, what it thinks that title matching, title or description matching or no, and if the creator approves it, then it will get published. Other than that, the creator will have option to give explanation and for submit for another review, and then the AI will instantly analyze it. And then if the AI thinks that the creator is doing something wrong, then the AI will give explanation. And other than that, I mean like then if the creator wants a manual review, then the creator can request a manual review as well. Okay, and also I mean then there is the then there is the for I want the thumbnail to be analyzed as well, that the thumbnail is matching with the title, description, and the content or not. Okay, or the thumbnail is clickbait or not. So and then the score should be, I mean like you can say should be shown before, I mean like before any video. Okay, before any video. So I mean like on the browse section, on all of the section. Okay, that the video, that is this a clickbait, or is this, I mean like you can say not clickbait, or and also is the title, thumbnails and title, thumbnails, and description is matching with the content. And then based on the all of the analysis, it should define clickbait or not clickbait or whatever, I mean like, so that the creator user, so the viewer can see, is this a clickbait or is this actual content. So how you are going to implement this, at first let me know, and then um, start implementing that. And what do you think, it would be better or no? Bro. Let me eat something. Thumbnail, the volume step. do you think it would be better if I actually, I mean, like, take the whole analysis of title, description, and thumbnail analysis, and then if the title, thumbnail, and description both all matches with the um, all matches with the, I would say, content inside the video, then it should actually it should mark them as um, kind of like, what can I use, which word can I use, like clickbait, not non-clickbait, or I mean, is there any better word? And if they do not match, I mean, like, for example, title do not match, or thumbnail do not match, or description do not match with the content, then I should mark them as clickbait warning. And also in the before uploading. Okay, so if it says clickbait warning, then it should definitely give proper explanation of why it thinks that it is actually a clickbait. Okay, and yeah, so for the category as well, the AI should give an explanation why it thinks that the category is this, so that the creator can see that why the category is marked as that, or why the video is marked as clickbait. If the title doesn't match, it should be, the AI should be precise in explanation. Okay, and then the appeal process should move on. I mean, like, the creator can appeal it with explanation why it thinks that the AI decision is wrong, and the AI will analyze again. And if then the creator is actually creator approves it, then the video will get published. Or if the then the creator will have option for manual review. Okay, so then it will be good for manual review. So don't you think it would be better? And I mean, like, I want the clickbait analysis to be the whole, for title to be taken in consideration, title, description, and thumbnail, all of them should be taken in consideration, not like separately. Okay, and then there will be like clickbait warning, and if the video is clean, then there should be something like non-clickbait or some other words, that so that people can instantly see that it's not a clickbait. And then if there is clickbait, then it should say clickbait warning. And should I use something that, like, clickbait neutral for the videos that cannot be clearly determined as whether it's clickbait or no? What do you think? And there will be kind of like, there will be, if the video is clickbait warning, then there should be clickbait warning. And if the video is I mean, like, is not clickbait, then it should say something like that, clickbait safe, or I mean, there should be another better word, non clickbait or something. And the videos that is actually not that cannot be defined whether it's clickbait or not, then should the marking should be that, like, clickbait neutral, or can't define, or can't check, or can't define, something like this. So people can understand clearly that it's actually clickbait safe, and with the authentic is, like, you can use a vogue term, and that can be taken into consideration for various things. For example, the video content is authentic, or what is authentic. Zero viewer, fine, bro, no problem. So let's see how many people watched it. 2 views, it's fine, no problem. See, invite for game, communicate, so day one, today one, okay, so back today one, back today one, okay. Yes. Live stream location videos. Videos that looks like which page can share question. Let's see how this is going. Let me do something. So implemented. Things everything is implemented. It says everything is implemented. It says let's try how let's implement how much it has become implemented. Sign in. Okay, so let's try to see everything is correctly implemented or not. Okay, run this, and start. Npm run build and npm run start. Npm run build and npm run start. Okay, so npm run build and npm run start. Okay. Npm run build and npm run start. Npm run start. Npm run build. Npm run build and npm run start. Then let's try again to see how that looks like. Creator Studio. Creator Studio, if I publish videos, let's delete the video and see how that looks like. Select a category. So let's video file, choose video. It will text. So let's upload small one. Okay, so and Sarah checkout. Sarah. I cooked delicious dinner. I cooked a delicious dinner. I cooked a delicious dinner. Cooked a delicious dinner for my Sarah. Okay, so it's very delicious. She is Italian dish. I'm actually just deliberately choosing different category to see how the AI defines. And so let's select this one. Okay, so let's click on upload video and let's see how that goes. Okay, so how that goes. Main left. Okay, so to main left. Okay, so here we are, and Flutter app. Okay, so building Flutter app using AI. Building Flutter app using AI. Flutter app live. Then Flutter app live. Okay, so building Flutter app live. Using AI. Then Flutter with Cloud. Then Flutter app with Cloud. Build Flutter faster, Cloud plus Crash project. So let's. Okay, so Thanks. Dismiss. Okay, so now we need to actually ad blocker. So first of all, we need. First of all, we need one thing, that is ad blocker, ad guard extension. Ad guard extension. The extension ad guard ad blocker. So Microsoft Edge and git ad extension extension episode extension. The viewers will fix the viewers and verify his platform. Face verified, so the viewers to blame the platform. Okay, so if I actually, I mean, like, try to implement a feature that viewers will get 10% of ad revenues that is shown to them. Okay, so for example, that viewers watch hundreds of ads every single month on YouTube. So, and for 1,000 ad impression, YouTube, I think, provides creators like $6-7, right? So though it will be like, you can see, if one user watch 1,000 ad impression, so then it will just be kind of like $10 or something. So will this model something help me to attract viewers later? What do you think? Okay, so second left, stuck on the uploading. It gets stuck on uploading because we'll come back once. And it seems it gets stuck in the uploading session, and for a long time, and the analyzing or processing session never start. What's the problem? Okay, so the extension. So let's install VS Code. keyboard সাথে অবস্থা কেন? version hyphen hookup. So SQL editor. Okay. So publish SQL editor. Okay, so let's go to SQL editor. Okay, so let's add that in here. Run. Okay, so let's see SQL editor. This SQL editor success now is returned. So let's share the screen again. Screen share, enter screen, and then so let's build it again. Control C, npm run build, and then npm run start. So now, so let's go to our run. Okay, so let's see. Okay, crash course.
And if you're really comfortable with your current setup, switching over actually costs the effort. To find out, I decided to treat myself to both Max One and use it to create a brand new platform that's been in my mind for some time. Now, the reason I needed this recently I've got into calisthenics, which is a sport that will lead to my strength and ability. In fact, I think everybody can understand and really changes the skill of all this for about 5%. And finally, the hard to start install a button behind that position. So this is where my idea came from, a voice activated time account. So I can just say start or stop, or all the time I'm completely on screen. And as I record this video, I've always rotated the version 1 at a time. And as you can see, we need to take the UI. Although we voice listening functionality, and even a settings screen, where I can take time of format and take some other preferences. And while the app is fairly simple, I won't compare. I personally made sure it's reliable with the rest of good user experience. And trust me when I say that the last thing I want to do is keep us from the product with because public AI without any proper testing and attention to detail. So there you go. I'm going to basically get 9 scenes.
Okay, so let's try again.
I think this is a perfect app to include those use cases. Right? Because these collective things that we need to interact with the native platform. Like these use to text package.
Thumbnails, okay, so we choose file. Okay, so I built delicious dishes for my kids. They don't exist. Italian dishes. Okay, this is a really tasty dish that doesn't exist. Okay, so let's select the category cooking. I'm deliberately choosing wrong category to see what the cooking. Okay, let's select another category and let's title as something completely different. So completely different thumbnail. So let's click on upload video. Does the video get uploaded?
So as part of this, I'll show you what my development workflow looks like. Again, some keys where you deploy more effectively. For sharing and edits, you just workflow focus on review up and others very needed. So many of you see them have a good idea of what you can do and how to make them work. Alright, so let's get started and see how far we can get with this app. And by the way, if you're in the right mode for yourself, it's very easy. Just another quick way and all these stuff instructions. And we get good following this enough. Then you can navigate to the particular directory. Simply run directly from the terminal. Right here. In fact, this setup is great because it allows you to use close code with the app, but I can also easily tap into the team manually from the cursor by close.
So let's see. So it's saying that uploaded AI analyzing your video, you will be asked to review the results before it's published. It's fine, okay, no problem. Let's see how much time it takes for processing. It's 2:32 a.m. showing in my computer. It's 1:32 and it's okay. So cursor versus. Let's change the settings. What the settings is. What the damn settings is. Settings, default browser, search engine. Engines, search engine. Google. Okay, so Google default. Google. Okay, so my VS Code versus cursor. Cursor its advantage. VS Code is VS Code is most common files are amazing channel. turning us because these groups engagement videos and utilization is really good at this sort of things. Typically, migration of structures and what we started doing processing, separate, replicative using culture, using one time there are no comments on this side. General education systems is good. What creates a clear and competition quite close to the good. For those signs, next one I'll check a couple of months and give a such a value to us. My numbers are in the last one. Next one is a couple of months ago. So I'm moving myself we'll go to 34. Let's see an error in the transcript pulled. Okay, so transcript is pulled 30-second, so it 1 minute. So let's see, I build the Superbase says for videos. Let's stop sharing and let's go to Superbase. Let's go to Superbase to see the table editor. Videos, score, the creator ID title, score based on how I cooked dishes. This take thumbnail, category, editing, creator review. This status average completion date. Category, where is the ID description, bunny video. Thumbnail URL, not applicable. Team creator review, view count,